Welcome. If you've ever felt frustrated by Gmail grouping your emails into conversations, you're not alone. Sometimes it's just easier to see every email as a separate message, especially when you want to keep things organized or avoid missing important replies. Today, I'll show you exactly how to disable Conversation View in Gmail, so your inbox displays each email individually. This guide is updated for 2025 and works perfectly with the latest Gmail app. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Gmail app. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of your screen for the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Go ahead and tap on it. A new menu will slide out from the side. Scroll all the way down until you see the Settings option. Tap on Settings to move to the next step. Now you'll see a list of all the email accounts you've added to Gmail. Tap on the account where you want to turn off Conversation View. If you have more than one account, don't worry. You can repeat these steps for each one. Once you're inside your account settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Conversation View. This is the feature that bundles related emails together, making them look like chat threads. To turn Conversation View off, simply uncheck the box next to it. That's it. You don't need to save anything. Gmail will automatically update your inbox to show each email as a separate message. Now, head back to your inbox and take a look. You'll notice that emails are no longer grouped together. Each message stands on its own, making it easier to find and manage your emails the way you prefer. If you ever want to turn Conversation View back on, just follow these same steps and check the box again. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.